Hey everyone, it is Kristen Brockman here, your trusted DFW realtor. And today I want to dispel a myth that I keep hearing. But first, if you are a first time home buyer, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below after the recording, because on my channel, I'm going to be walking you through the home buying process. We're going to talk about different tips, tricks, strategies, different vocabulary. Sometimes I forget what it was like as a first time home buyer. And then I just meet a client that reminds me of myself, and I was like, oh, yeah, I remember that feeling. So, this myth that I keep hearing is, well, I don't have 20% to put down on a house, so I would love to purchase a home, but it's going to have to wait. The good news is you don't need 20% anymore. Used to, sure, but not anymore. So let me tell you about a story that about a client that recently came to me needing help to purchase a home. And recent is the operative word because that means this is happening in today's market. So he came to me needing help to find a home. Him and his wife and three young kids were living in this small apartment downtown Fort Worth. He works from home and he was working out of his primary closet. So his closet was his home office. He had nowhere else to work. And one of his kids was homeschooled. And so it's like, it just made things even tighter. So they needed more space, but they did not have the money for a down payment. No problem. I work with lenders who have amazing programs, and these programs are going to vary by your credit score, your financial history, your where you're looking to purchase a home. So there's going to be a lot of factors. So you're not going to be able to qualify possibly for the same program he did, but there are other programs. So don't worry about that. There are so many programs out there. I don't even know where to start, but I'm not the lender, so I don't have to worry about that. I know these lenders, so I can pass you off to them. But so we found this beautiful house. It was a new construction, and I love this home builder because they build beautiful quality homes, and the builder is involved in every step of the process from start to finish. And so that just I was impressed by that. But amazing, amazing new builds. Anyway, so we found them this house, and um, he didn't have to put any money down for the down payment, no money down for the closing cost, and at the closing table, he actually got money back. So that's crazy, right? The and he's only paying a few $100s more on this home than he was paying for his small little apartment downtown Fort Worth. And in this new home, he has a designated workspace. His kids have a beautiful backyard that they can run and play in. And it's just a gorgeous home for them to make memories. Um, oh, and then my last buyer, he did have to put down a little bit of a down payment, but I was able to negotiate closing costs for him. So he also got money back at the closing table. Um, so yes, he did have to put some money down for a down payment, but he got money back and he did not have to do closing costs. So there are so many different options out there. I can negotiate great deals for you, set you up with a wonderful lender that'll take care of you. It just it requires a conversation. So let's just have a conversation. I'm not going to force you into anything. That's not my style. What I like to do is I just like to have a conversation, hear about your goals, your dreams, your wishes, just everything, and then how I can help you there and even how I can help you get there. And even if it's maybe a 2-year plan, That's fine. I'm not in any rush. This is a huge financial decision. So I'm not going to push you into anything, but I am going to support you. And if that's your goal, I'm going to introduce you to the people that can help you get there and check in with you to see if we're reaching those milestones. So, again, like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below. If your goal is home ownership, let's talk about it, because what you're paying in rent, you're already paying a mortgage, you're paying someone else's mortgage. So might as well make it your own, and then you get the tax write-off benefits. So let's just talk about that, because it may be more affordable than what you think. So I hope this video helped you, maybe sparked some interest, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.